I've been waiting for a good day. I've been holding back long enough. I've been hurting to tell you something. It's not the falling of the temperature that's making all our bones run cold. It's a breeze you make, presence felt when you're around me. And it feels like I'm riding on silo, so lightly bruised and broken from my head on me. That's right! Never seen this side of you. I know it's right to face, feeling bruised and broken from my head on the side. I've never seen this side of you. I know it's right to face, and I'm still waiting for a good day. I think I've felt this long enough. Think it's safe to tell you some things. It's not just what you say to people, it's not the way you look at me. It's the way you present yourself for all your great. Come on! Right, I'm adding all time low, so I lay bruised and broken from my head on collision. I've never seen this side of you. I know it's tragic case, feeling bruised and broken from my head on collision. But I've never seen this side of you. You're a tragic case. You'd say no again. You were gone all this time. Say no again. You were gone. As it feels like, feels hard. So I lay crushed and broken for my head on the collision. I've never seen this side of you. I know it's tragic case, feeling bruised and broken for my head on collision. I've never seen this side of you. I know it's tragic case. I know it's tragic case, feeling bruised and broken. I know it's tragic case. I've been waiting for a good day, still waiting for a good day.
Alright! Thank you guys! Hey, same time. Same G's, man.
One more song!
Hey! Thank you so much, San Diego, for coming early to check us out. Thank you for being here and supporting us for so long. We greatly appreciate it. Woo! Everybody, go check out all the great bands that are playing tonight inside that building. Look at that. Look at the building right now. It's like a transformer.
Very beautiful. You guys know Kelly Clarkson's playing here this week.
Who else is playing here? Harlem Globetrotters.
Globetrotters.
Like that.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you, 91X. Thank you, guys. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. We're Newfound Glory. We'll see you next year sometime on tour.